I hope you guys are enjoying your day and enjoying the holidays. So me and the kiddos, we're out here. As you guys can see, they're enjoying that pool. Is it fun? Yeah. Oh my gosh, he is loving it. They both love swimming. Well, all the public pools are closed as is, but with everything going on, you know, I just wanted to get them a little something. So we actually have a bigger bouncy house, but it's so huge. So I was just like, I just wanted something small. I got it from Academy. You say hi?
Hi.
I always forget about Academy, y'all. Like, I'm so used to like Dick's Sporting Goods or Bass Pro, you know, just the ones that we're used to. Academy is pretty much the Dick's Sporting Good of Texas, and they have like outdoor stuff and everything. So that's where I got that from, and that's where I got their other bouncy house from. So if you guys are interested, I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out as well. So yeah, so we're just gonna sit here and enjoy. It's early because it's gonna be 105 degrees. Like now we're in that phase where it's just gonna be in the hundreds forever. So I wanted to bring them out early so they can have a little fun before it gets super hot. And then we're just going to enjoy the day. I bought a few things for us to do, like decorate cupcakes and what else? Watch a movie. Just stay cool because it's gonna be hot, and then the big guy's gonna grill later and all that good stuff. I think this is the first 4th of July.
No, it's the second.
No, this is the first 4th of July we haven't spent with family or have gone home or anything. This is the first 4th of July being quarantined and being in the house, so it's definitely different, but you gotta make the best of it, right? So yeah, let me watch the kids and enjoy the shade. I love being in our backyard. So follow me on Instagram. Y'all saw the damage. We had a storm a couple of weeks ago that tore down our gazebo. I loved it. It was just my absolute favorite. I just loved coming outside because of that gazebo, but the storm damaged it, flew away, and we couldn't fix it again. So we have this umbrella here. So we're getting a gazebo that will stay. It will not fly away. So super excited about that. It should be coming soon. So we'll give our backyard a little makeover, and if you guys are interested in seeing a backyard makeover, let me know and I would definitely do that for you guys as well. All right, so like I said, let me watch the kids have fun, and I'll see you guys later. And I love how it has like a little shaded area under the whale tail. It's so cool. Dear Lord, in the next Wise Texas home, please let us have a pool in Jesus' name. Because you know, when we have our nephews over and our family over, you know, that'll be something for us to do. And Tristan will be a little older, so you know, by then he'll know how to swim, and you know, it won't be as dangerous when it comes to having a pool in the backyard. Gotta be grateful for what we have. Yeah. Hey guys, so we are back in the house now, and Maddie, she's eating lunch right now. Tristan, he didn't want anything to eat. I think because he ate a big breakfast, he's not that hungry, but he's ready for a nap. So yeah, because that heat, man, I'm telling you, Texas heat is nothing to play with. Like, it will drain and suck the energy out of you. Like, even if you're outside, I'm coming, baby. Even if you're outside for 5 minutes checking your mail, like, the energy is just, it just sucks the life out of you. So now I'm about to put him down for a nap. I might doze off because I woke up early. I didn't set my alarm or anything, and I still woke up at 6 o'clock this morning. I'm like, it's a Saturday and a holiday, but I woke up early. So yeah, so I think I might doze off too. Put him down for a nap because he is tired, boss. All right, I'll catch you guys later. All right, who's ready to decorate cupcakes?
Me.
You not ready to decorate cupcakes?
Me. Okay.
Yeah, you ready? We are about to decorate cupcakes. I found this cool DIY cupcake kit at Walmart. I know, but I didn't know they had these because usually, like, if you guys follow Mommy and Maddie, you guys know that we do the funfetti cupcakes. So every time there's a different season or different release, we always bake the cupcakes, you know, pertaining to whatever season. But they didn't have any more at Walmart. So I found this kit here where they already made the cupcakes. They packaged the They packaged the frosting and
That guy.
sprinkles and
That
stuff.
guy.
So I thought that was pretty
and
cool.
Rings, and rings.
And they put little rings in there too. So just a little activity. Not really celebrating the 4th, but I wanted to still do something fun with the kids because in the end of the day, you know, they're still kids. So we're about to decorate. So you're not gonna decorate? You're just gonna eat it? You so silly. I have a chocolate cake, vanilla cake, and it has white frosting. Comes with blue frosting.
Of course.
And it comes with red frosting.
And sprinkles.
And sprinkles.
Yeah.
And then what else was over there? And it has these rings here. So yeah, what color do you want first?
I want to start with my favorite color.
What?
You know what it is?
Red. This is pretty cool though. I like that it's already packaged and ready for you to do it. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. The big guy is in the closet smoothing up the wall, so he's gonna join us once he's done with that. Alright, Tristan. Now what you gonna decorate? What you gonna decorate? Look at that. Look what I did, y'all. Ew. Let me find out my cupcake skills still. Let me find out I still got cupcake skills. Y'all remember my vlogging channel when I took cupcake class? Yeah, I think I still got it. Oh, no. Don't touch me. Don't try to touch me. Is it yummy? Is it good? Yay.
Can Sissy try?
You gonna feed Sissy? Man, well, we gotta eat it all today because we are going on a strict diet, okay? No more eating bad, eating junk. So I was like, today is gonna be a treat day, and after that, no more. So we're gonna have to do something with these cupcakes. Touch my mommy with the shirt. There you go. Yes, I got on white too. This is the Fearless. I don't know if you guys can see. This is the Fearless tee that I have in my shop. One thing to, you know, have faith, but sometimes we have fears. But we need to fear less so that way, you know, we can live better. And I know. No, boy. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I took it.
So yeah, I love this shirt because it's just to show, you know, it's just to remind people to fear less.
Can I have some
and
icing?
to have more faith.
Nah.
Okay. Aww.
Give me some more icing. Give me icing. Nah, I don't want a cupcake. I just want the icing.
I see too.
Let me get a picture of that face.
Like he ate before we even started frosting it. He just ate the cupcakes like he's doing now. Oh my goodness. He's messy. Yummy. So as soon as he's done, I want to make sure I clean his hands for a second.
Nice. Looks just like a shield. And a flag. Cool.
Did you want to decorate one?
Okay. That's just gonna make me want to eat it.
I know, it's tempting. Like, I don't.
Is it the good icing?
It is.
It's very good.
It's buttercream.
Is it buttercream?
Yeah. Because I looked at it, I was like, does it look like? But it's not whipped. Don't need to eat these 4. I don't need the extra calories.
Hey! Daddy!
It's good. Yeah, Walmart and H-E-B, they have some good bakery things. Like, don't sleep on it, okay? For real. Oh my God, I want to eat them. They're just so pretty. Yeah, so pretty.
No, tomorrow's Sunday.
Yeah, we're starting anew. Like, no junk.
Just like we did last Sunday. And I'm pretty sure the Sunday before. No, it was the Wednesday before because my parents were leaving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The struggle of trying to eat good, y'all.
Like we did when we got back in January.
Yep.
And then when you came back in March.
I know.
We're good at starting.
But it's finishing. That's the struggle. I blame Texas for our weight gain.
I'm the best at starting a diet.
I know. We'll decorate this one because we haven't touched it.
I put this one.
No, you can eat that.
I put the special one, the special purple one on.
You showing them your face? Hey, don't show them your food in your mouth. Get here. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Like, my heart is just bursting right now. Is Sissy gonna be okay? You done take care of her? Your baby brother loves you, girlfriend. We did a little workout, so that's why I was sweating. So please forgive me. Maddie started complaining about her head hurting, so I came in to take care of her. Oh, poor baby. So I gave her some meds, and now she's drinking her water, and she'll feel better when she goes to sleep tonight. I think that'll be the end of the vlog, so I have to make sure that she's okay, make sure that she feels a lot better. I don't know about any fireworks. I can still see it's a little light outside, but I don't know. Like I said, I heard a few people popping stuff here and there, but I don't know what's going on. So if there are fireworks that's going to be happening tonight, we'll probably just watch from the window. But a lot of people surprisingly haven't been having parties and cookouts, so I guess they, went to other places or whatever. But I don't know if there's going to be fireworks, but we shall see. Yeah, so I guess we'll just wait and see if something happens. But that is the end, y'all, because like I said, because I'm tired myself. My legs hurt from that little workout. That is it, you guys. So hope you guys had a wonderful holiday. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.